A good parent listens to the child, does not only impose what he or she wants to them. A good parent is one who allows the child to grow in whatever he wants to do and not again impose not only his self values but his beliefs and even his ambitions. For Real is a very nice movie because it gives a message to today's parents who are the young parents who think that just by providing their children with the material comforts they've given everything. Today's parents are very enthusiastic about providing what they did not get as children, but forget about giving the child what they got as kids. It shows the world so beautifully from the eyes of the child. The child almost starts thinking that the mother is someone else just because she looks different, she feels different, and she's behaving different. I think the message goes beautifully through the movie is that you need to provide the kids an environment where they feel loved. How much ever you may tell them that you love them, but if they don't see the love, they are just going to rebel. And I think For Real gives you a very good impression of today's parents. Both of them are ambitious, they're trying to do their bit, they're spending time with the kids, but at the same time are not able to understand each other. So parents may often say that, oh, we don't tell our children anything and we don't fight in front of our kids, but they forget that the kids are an extension of themselves. And I think the movie shows that very well. So I would definitely recommend it to young parents to go and see the movie, and learn for themselves how they should and should not behave in front of their kids.
Papa, we have to go to the bus depot behind your hospital.
When they decide to give up their career, first of all, they need to think of that decision, because many a times that's an emotional decision because, oh my God, I have to look after my child. Even if you give up your career at that stage of life, there's always a chance that you can do something a little later. Maybe you can't go back to a full-fledged career, but maybe you can work part-time. And a good time to start working part-time would be when the kid starts going to school. So when the child starts going half a day to school, it's very important that you do something, because otherwise what happens is when the child comes back from school, all their energy is waiting for the kid to come back. And they want the child to do lots of things, and the child does not want to do because the child has worked half day and come back. So in their anxiety or enthusiasm, they'll end up frustrating the kid a lot more. It's important to feel good about yourself from within, because if you don't do that from within, you look at everybody else around you and especially at your kids, and in that you're going to ruin your kids. So I think it's very important for every human being to do something which makes them feel a little self-fulfilled.